Today's topic: what is keywords in JavaScript?
Keywords in JavaScript are a set of reserved words that cannot be used as names of functions, labels, or variables as they are already a part of the syntax of JavaScript. Each of the keywords has its own meaning. They are generally used in executing internal operations. Some of the keywords are listed here. These are all keywords in JavaScript which we can use in programs. Now let us discuss some of the keywords in detail to understand what they are and how we can use them.
Let keyword.
The let keyword enables us to declare a variable. We can also assign a value to the variable, but this is completely optional. This is the example of usage of the let keyword. Here variable let num is used with initial value equal to 1 and then num variable has assigned 2 as its value. In this way, between runtime we assign any value to let variable.
Const keyword.
This keyword resembles the let keyword, but the difference between the two keywords is that we can change the value of the variable once assigned using the const keyword. It can neither be changed with reassignment nor with redeclaration. Let us understand this with the example. When you run the above written code, you will get the output as 4. Now let us try to change the value of the variable x. In this example, the constant x is used twice with different values. This will result in an error, type error, invalid assignment to const number. And that's it for our look at JavaScript keywords. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Have questions or suggestions? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.